Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ms Lena's Kitchen, and I'm glad to have you all on my videos today. I want to first say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you all to my supporters, and to all of the ones that's watches me and still doing some of the things I'm doing, but not subscribers. I appreciate having you all on today, and I'm getting ready now. I'm going to read my scripture first. And I'm taking it from Psalms 127, verse 3. Chapter 127, verse 3. Sons are heritage from the Lord. Children is a reward from the Lord, from Him. Sons are heritage from the Lord. Children are a reward from Him. Psalms 127, verse 3. Thank you so much. I'm getting ready today, and I'm going to it's called Grandmother's Pound Cake. Grandmother's Pound Cake. So that's what I'm getting ready to use. And I'll be putting in my butter. I'm using 1 pound of butter. Give me a little piece of. I'm using 1 pound of butter. I have some sugar wasted out in there, so I want to use 1 pound of butter. So, and 1 pound of butter is 4 sticks. Temperature butter has to be soft, so
it has to be room temperature, y'all.
Hello, everyone.
Ready now to cream my butter. Cups of sugar.
She adding 3 cups of sugar. That's 1 pound of butter. Now she's adding 3 cups of sugar.
Okay, I'm going to put a little bit at a time, so.
Yeah, you let that beat until it get creamy and fluffy. So it's real light and fluffy.
I want you all to see how creamy it is. So,
Come on in.
very, very creamy. So, and it's gotten really creamy. So, see how creamy it is. Okay, can you see it? Okay. And now I'm putting in my flavor: 1 teaspoon of almond and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract.
And she mixed them together, y'all.
And I just mix it together. So, I'll go in at one time. start doing
Hold on.
6 eggs. I'll be putting one at a time. Oh, that's about cut it out. One at a time. Okay. Now I'm going to be putting in the milk. Flour a little bit at a time. I'm putting half of the flour. This is 4 cups of flour. So I'll be putting in. I have put in 2 cups already. So half of it really. So.
And y'all, that is 4 cups of flour. So far she have used 1 pound of butter, 3 cups of sugar, 6 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. There. Oh,
Okay. I'll be adding my milk. Y'all gotta make the cake, add milk, flour, flour, milk, flour, milk, flour, milk, flour. I'm going to change my hooks now so it can get all around the side. So, okay, this take about 1 more minute. Wait a minute.
okay, y'all, it's ready now. She mixed it for a minute. Make sure you don't mix your mixer that long, please. Y'all, bake it 300 for 1 hour and 40 minutes.
What hour?
1 hour and 40 minutes it baked for y'all.
Whoa. Let me taste.
Okay, y'all. She's done. She done leveled the cake. Okay, y'all. She's gonna cook this cake for 1 hour and 40 minutes on 300 degrees. We'll be back once it's done.
Okay, this is the final touches of the grandma pound cake. Their pound cake. Grandmother pound cake. Okay. And they're going to taste it for you. No. So, you all see it now, so. Yeah. I really needed a deeper pan, but I didn't have one deeper enough, so. Oh, that's pretty. Let me see that here. Can you see it? Oh, that's really moisture than everything, so. Okay.
My finger.
Wait a minute, don't, not before you knock it off. Hand me that, hand me your plate. Wait, hand me that other plate. Okay. All the other kids want me to take one too?
Good.
Are the other kids coming to take one, do you know?
I don't know. It's good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
How is it? Oh, this cake good. Money.
You ready to paper towels? You got them down
How is it?
Good.
This cake real good, y'all. Real good. Oh my goodness. And the top got a crunch to it. Which I love.
Oh, that looks so good. Good refilling. Now that you can see what the whole cake looks like. Everybody got a piece cut out of it. I was going to do my tasting also.
Tired.
Oh my goodness. It is delicious.
I'm tired. Good. What'd you give it?
Tired chewing.
So good. Very, very good.
Again, tired thing.
This is really good. This is one of the cakes we also made several years ago, almost 100 years ago also. So, and they call it grandmother's cake, grandmother's pound cake. It is my.
There's one more cake I have not tried.
It is,
Bye!
It is way off the chain. You want some? What is that? Oh, you trying to say bye-bye?
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, press all, share, like, follow, and follow our TikTok account. Bye. Bye.
Thank you so much. Amani, Malachi. Simone didn't come in for something now. So now thank you all so much. I'm getting ready to say goodbye to all of my subscribers, everybody. Bye. So I hope you will enjoy this cake. This is another good cake for the holiday from good grandmother's cake, pound cake, grandmother's pound cake. Thank you.